Hi, my name is Cindy and I'm a product marketing manager at Google. In a typical day, I focus on three key areas. Firstly, I work really closely with my research agencies or my sellers to understand what exactly our customers are thinking about. Are there new challenges that they're facing and what's top of mind for them? Secondly, I work with my product managers to really understand some of the new innovations that are coming to market. There are a lot of technical jargons and technical papers that I need to understand. So I spend a lot of time digesting and reading through it, and then scheduling time with my product manager to really understand the ins and outs of the product. It's really important to be able to communicate and connect with others, to really foster relationships, and to really sort of realize we're trying to achieve the same thing. And then finally, I spend a bit of time developing my marketing strategy. So I sit down and I really incorporate some of the conversations that I might have had earlier in the day, and I put together a document that allows me to really think about how I structure the rest of my week or month. I feel like the more products you work with and the more areas you learn about, you kind of sharpen your skills as a product manager. Some products tend to be more complex than others, and so the more experience you have working across products, the more you can refine your communication skills and your ability to take a product to market. Sometimes product marketing managers may go from what we call an individual contributor to a team leader. They manage other product marketing managers, and they think a lot about strategy, and they work more cross-functionally with different teams. The biggest advice I have for anyone starting a new career is to be curious and to be incredibly hungry to ask questions. There is never a dull question that you can ever ask anybody. And as long as you're curious, and as long as you're proactive and just really have a drive and a desire to learn, sky's the limit, as they say. And that's really what's happened in my career. Early on, I've kind of had a real desire to learn a lot more, and that's kind of gotten me to opportunities that I never knew that could exist for me.